Today Chef Lion show you how to make chicken ham. It need not long months as cooking the pork ham, but it is still delicious and tender. 今天狮子大厨给您用鸡腿做风味火腿，它比猪肉火腿成熟的时间短，同样鲜美，肉也更嫩。Chicken drumsticks 400 grams， 鸡腿400克。Salt 盐。Rub the skin with salt， 用盐擦鸡皮表面。Use knife clean more， 用刀仔细刮干净。Wash with water carefully， 用水仔细清洗干净。Poke holes by a fork， 用叉子扎上孔。Patience， do 耐心的扎。Both sides all need poke， 两面都要扎孔。Salt 10 grams， 盐10克。Rub the salt， 擦上盐。Now you know why we poke the holes， 现在您明白为什么扎小孔了吧？ The salt will go into the meat， 盐会进入肉里面。Salt can keep the meat fresh without cold storage， 盐可以在不冷藏下给肉保鲜。迷迭香10克。Rosemary 10 grams。Green pepper 10 grams， 绿麻椒10克。Black pepper 10 grams， 黑胡椒10克。We will grind the mixed spice， 我们要把混合香料研磨。Cover the spice on chicken meat， 把香料撒在鸡肉上。Another side 另一面。Hi, I'm Lion. I am a chef. Do you like my cooking video? Not forget subscribe my channel. Give me a thumb up like. Thank you. 您好，我是狮子厨师。如果您喜欢我的视频，请点赞，关注我的频道，谢谢。Continue， 我们继续。百里香10克 ，Thyme 10 grams。Poke more with a fork， 再用叉子扎小孔。New 10 grams， 石螺草10克。Add salt 5 grams， 再加5克盐。Repeat poking， 重复扎孔。Add more spice we grinded， 加上更多我们研磨的香料。Wow, all covered by spice， 都裹上了香料。Smell so good， 好香。Chef Lion, what we should do next? 狮子大厨，接下来我们做什么？ Okay, lion will tell you, only you, the big secret of cooking. 现在让狮子告诉你烹饪的秘密，只告诉你一个人哦。让食物变得美味有2样神奇的东西。There are 2 magic things can make food delicious. One is time, another is sunshine. 一样是时间，另一样是阳光。Really, they are. My friends teddy bears agree with me. 真的，我的泰迪熊朋友也同意。用保鲜膜封好，放冰箱冷藏24小时。Cover with plastic film and refrigerate for 24 hours. Teddy bears will help watching the clock. 泰迪熊会帮你记好时间。Patience, patience, patience. 耐心等，耐心等，耐心等啊。第二天 ，next day. The meat get little hard. 肉有点变硬了。Spices would not fall. This is very good. 香料不会掉，这很好。We tie the chicken drumstick with rope. 我们用绳子绑好鸡腿。They are like ham looking now. 它们看起来有火腿的样子了。Now we need hang them to dry 1 week. 我们现在要把它们挂起来，风干1周。Time, time, time is the magic. 时间，时间，时间是神奇的。Sun, sun, sun is magic. Hang them under sunshine. Sun will give the meat power. Bring special sweet flavor. 太阳，太阳，太阳很神奇，在阳光下晒，太阳会给肉能量，带来特别香甜的风味。After 7 days, 7天以后 ，the chicken ham is done. 鸡腿、火腿做好了。它非常好吃，冷藏可以保存2个月时间。It is delicious, can be kept 2 months in refrigerator. The meat is very delicious and full of spice flavor. 肉很鲜美，香料的风味很浓。Next video, Lion will show you how to cook a salad recipe from this chicken ham. Welcome to watch with us. 下一期视频，狮子会用这个鸡肉火腿做一道沙拉菜，欢迎您观看。Thank you watching， 感谢观看。如果喜欢，请给我点赞，谢谢。